Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use print titles or repeat headings in Microsoft Excel. Here is a table and I select this table. I just select this table and in page layout I just set print area. Now if I preview this table, you will notice if I move to the second page, the heading will not display because Excel by default don't provide the repeat heading. We have to do some setting. Just move to the page layout. Here is the option print titles. If you select these print titles, here is the option row to repeat at top, and I want to repeat this heading in second page as well. Just click here and click in this heading. It will select automatically all the row. And now click OK. Now if you preview the sheet, it will display heading in first page, and if I move to the second page, it will also repeat this heading again. If you have 100 pages, it will repeat in 100 pages. I just go to the home, and you can also, if you click page layout and print titles, if you have a left heading, you can also repeat this left heading in this sheet. But in this sheet, our requirement is to repeat at top heading I want to repeat. That's why I selected this and click OK. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.